Hello, this is
Emily
Rose, and this is her mummy. Thank you. We're using Quick Children's Speech Therapy at Home by Jane Bishop because I want to tell them which book to use. And today, Emily, I've got some new sounds to tell everyone about, and it's the P and the B. Yeah. Can you
do one?
Yes, but I just wanted to talk about what's the difference between P and B.
We can feel it.
And P. The difference between the P sound is you, Emily, put your lips together. We're going to look in the mirror. P. And you let a little bit of air come out. P. Without any voice. But when you want to do this sound, Emily, look, this one. No, this is B. So it's the same. You put your lips together and let some air out. B. B. Okay, close your eyes.
B.
B. B. Okay,
B.
and then close your eyes with this one. P. P. Nice. Okay, so Emily.
Mummy, we didn't close our eyes.
Oh, sorry. P. P. Lucky you're here to help me get it right. Okay, so if you have this, Emily.
Can't I
This.
this?
What's that? Is that a P or a B sound? Ball.
Well.
Ball. Ball. Which one is it? Okay, you hold it up. Which one it is? Yeah! Go, Emily! It's a B sound, so I'm going to put this down in the B one. Okay, what about this one?
Here and after I take
Yeah, but you should show people which one it is. So they know.
after I take it.
Okay. Emily,
Yeah.
which one is this?
Pig.
Yes! Nailing it! Pah, nice one. Okay. Ah, this one's a tricky one.
Paw.
Show everyone. Puh. Okay. All right. Oh, this one's a nice one. Okay, no, let's go for that one.
So what is
You want to see the nice one?
I want to do penguin.
Yes!
Penguin.
What's that? Yeah. And this one?
Bed. Like go to bed.
Go to bed. I feel the voice. Show them the sound B. No, B.
Baby.
Baby. Oh, baby.
Baby.
It's the same. Okay, show them. Very good.
What is it?
Okay, what's this? Emily?
Pear.
Yes.
Pear.
Okay.
Yeah, I put it.
Pear. Okay. This one, Emily. Is it P or B?
Bear.
Yes.
Boat.
Ah, brilliant. Show them.
Like with
Ba.
beetle.
Yeah.
Beetle.
With a voice or without a voice?
Beetle. Yes.
Yes. Beetle is with a voice. Ba with a voice.
Okay.
Okay. And this one, Emily?
Pencil.
Yes.
Pen.
With a voice or without?
Out.
Without. Correct. Now, last one. What's this, Emily?
And then after we can say goodbye. Bath.
With a voice or without?
Yes.
With a voice. Bath. Very
Right.
good.
Bear for head.
Yes. Now, there's a next bit to the game. I'm going to put, Emily, we're going to put the B and the P sound, not at the beginning of a word, but in the middle or the end, and see if you can help and tell which one it is. So, for example, what's this, Emily?
Lips.
Lip.
Lip.
What's that? Voice or without voice?
Out of mouth.
So which letter, which sound? P. Very good. Okay. Ah, this one's excellent.
Octopus.
Octopus.
I'm with lip.
Octopus. P. Octopus. Yes. P. And sometimes Emily and I like to clap words so we can see how many syllables. Octopus. 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 Okay. This is something that Emily loves to play with.
Mama.
Marble. Which one's that? B or P? Marble.
Bubble. Like head.
Ba. Very good, very good.
Head.
Ah.
Don't break your head, boy.
Now something that Emily's papa is a bit scared of.
Spider web.
Yes. So web. What does that have?
Web.
Web.
B.
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 B. B.
Emily likes to eat these.
Apple.
Yeah. What's apple got? P, 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 apple. Apple. P. Okay.
I didn't sew them.
Oh, could you? Thank you.
Out of mouth. Lamb.
Ah, it's a
Lamb.
mummy. What's a mummy? A lamb is a baby, and the mummy is called a sheep. Has it got b or p at the end? P.
P.
Aha. Whereas this one,
There you go. Crab.
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 Which one's that?
This.
Now we've only got 3 left. Can Emily get it all correct?
Robot.
Yes! Robot.
Robot.
Put it on your
Robot. Robot. Robot.
voice to
Robot.
voice.
Nope. Robot. Robot.
No!
Like.
Ooh. Oh. Oh my god, I feel like there was a shower just then, a rain shower. Rainbot. Okay, how about this one? Last 2 more.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. What does rabbit have? Rabbit. What sound? B. And we're going to finish with a nice cup of tea made in a tea...
Pot.
Yes, and what does that have? Okay, sit up to say goodbye, please.
Goodbye.
I don't think people can see you.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.